Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do 3 quick and easy Christmas party hairstyles. I'm going to start with this easy messy low bun. To start, I'm applying some texture powder all throughout the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then secure the hair into a ponytail at the nape of the neck, but on the last turn only pull the ponytail part way through to create a small loop. Divide the remaining hair in half and just give these a loose twist. Bring them up above that little loop and we're simply going to tie them in a knot as if we were tying our shoelaces. Pull it tight over the loop and bring the ends down underneath and then secure the ends with a clear elastic band. I'm going to apply some wax spray all over the hair just to help control flyaways and give a little hold. And then gently pinch and pull at the hair around the top of the head for some more texture. And then really pinch and pull all the loops and twists of this bun apart. Once you're happy with the look, just secure all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 2, I've got a very quick 2-minute half up, half down hairstyle. This one looks a lot more complicated than it actually is. I've started with curly hair, but this works just as good on straight hair. Starting on the right hand side, leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face, then divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear. And we're going to pull this straight back and add an elastic band about 1 inch away from the head. Then make a hole above that elastic band and flip those ends through the hole so you create a couple of twists. Next, add some texture powder over those twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at each one of those twists to create more texture and volume. Bring this to the back of the head and secure with a bobby pin or 2. And we're going to repeat on the left hand side, so leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Take a section of hair from the top of the head to just above the ear. Pull this straight back and add your elastic band about 1 inch away from the head. Create a hole above that elastic band with your fingers and then flip those tail ends all the way through that hole to create a twist. Add some more texture spray all over your twists and pinch and pull them apart. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, please hit that subscribe button below. Bring this to the back of the head, lift up the first twist and just tuck that little elastic band underneath and secure with a couple more bobby pins. And here's the finished look. I love how easy and simple this one is. For the third and final hairstyle, I'm going to do an easy, high, curly, messy bun. To start, I've popped a loose curl through the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way at the front. Then just repeat on the opposite side. So divide it from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip that front piece out of the way for later. Secure the remaining hair into a high ponytail on top of the head. Then release those front sections down. Add some dry texture spray to that ponytail. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Next, I'm going to grab the base of the ponytail with one hand, and with the other hand I'm going to section out a small piece of hair. Hold it to the ponytail about halfway down with the other hand. So push it against the elastic band and hold with your other hand. So essentially all we're doing is taking small sections of hair and then holding them halfway down that strand to the ponytail base. Keep doing this until you run out of hair and then secure everything together with another elastic band over the top. Then we're going to take each loop and twist of this ponytail, taking sections next to each other and pull them in opposite directions to create some more texture and volume. Once you're happy with how it's starting to look, start pinning the hair down with a couple of bobby pins. So take two sections next to each other, pull them in opposite directions and secure to the head. Do this throughout the entire bun. Then with those front sections, I'm going to leave a little piece out to frame the face and divide the rest in half. Take that top half, give it a couple of twists towards the head and pin at the top of the bun, leaving the ends hanging down. Then bring that bottom half and do the same, so give it a couple of twists, but this time we're going to aim it towards the bottom of the bun and secure with a bobby pin. Then repeat on the opposite side, so leave a little out to frame the face, split the remaining hair in two, and with that top half we're going to twist it towards the head, tuck it under the top of the bun and secure with a pin. Then take that last section, give it a couple of twists, tuck it under the bottom of the bun and secure with another pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.